Hi! How to sing and play your ukulele, especially if you're a beginner. First of all then, a disclaimer, I am not a singer, I've never had a singing lesson, I've probably actively avoided singing most of my adult life, and considering I'm a classroom music teacher, obviously I do have to sing a little bit, but it really is only since I started playing ukulele that I've become more comfortable with myself singing. Now, when I first started playing, I used to wander around school like so many other people when they're playing. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Okay, I must have driven people nuts. So I do know what it's like not to be able to do the two things together. Okay, I'm not going to try and teach you how to sing today, but hopefully a little bit of advice might help you and even give you a little bit of confidence. So if we think about ukulele and singing, it's two very different skill sets. Great if you're a confident singer. That probably is going to make your life a little bit easier. But if, like me, you're not a confident singer, trying to concentrate on the two things at the same time can be quite difficult. So, my first bit of advice is keep it really simple. Ideally, choose songs that you already know very, very well, even if it's as simple as Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, because you're not actually thinking about the singing, you can concentrate on your ukulele. Okay, I used Three Little Birds as an example then, because that was one of the first songs I learnt because I knew the song. But I still used to stop and start when I was, first starting to play. So keep it really, really simple so you can concentrate on the ukulele. If it's a song you don't know, all right, yes, practice the singing separately to the ukulele. Don't try and put it all together in one go, all right? But ideally, really try and find songs that you already know very, very well to sing along to when you first start your uke. Now, before I became a music teacher, I was actually a double bass and bass guitar player. I cannot sing and play bass. I have tried for decades. I just can't do it. So when I started learning to play the ukulele, there were a few things that I really had to think about because it was the first time I'd ever really done it. Breathe. I know it sounds really straightforward, but you need to think about your breathing. When I'm playing bass, I don't even attempt to sing. I'm concentrating on one thing. When I'm playing uke, normally I'm actually concentrating on the singing a little bit more than the uke these days. And I was recording a song yesterday for something in school and realised, wow, I could sing this without running out of breath. Normally, when I play it in school, I run out of breath. What was different? I was recording them separately. I wasn't playing the uke and singing at the same time. So suddenly, I could record it straight away, not worrying about breathing. So when you're playing your uke and you're singing, you do need to think about breathing. Join a club or a group if you can. That is going to really help your confidence singing, especially in a live situation. I know things are difficult in certain parts of the world at the minute. I can't believe how much I'm missing our school ukulele group and the Cool Hand Ukes adult group that I play in. All right, it's one of the worst things about this lockdown at the minute is being able to make music together. So if you can, when you get the chance, join a ukulele club or group. That is going to help your singing and your confidence immensely. first few videos I made, I hated hearing myself singing. I tolerate it now, but make videos of yourself playing and singing. Not for anybody else, just for you. It might give you ideas as to things you need to improve or things that you're doing really well. But without having instant feedback of somebody sometimes, it's a really good way of seeing how you're progressing, and also things that you can change and make better as well. So video yourself if at all possible. And the game changer for me, I know there's an awful lot of videos out there helping people sing and play ukulele. Ukulele play along videos. This is where I differ from those other videos, okay? I started off making videos for YouTube, not on this channel, Ukulele Wales, but on my other channel, the Ukulelians. Right, to cut a very long story short, when I first started playing ukulele, I also started a club in school. So for a little while, I was trying to learn ukulele whilst singing and leading this school club, all beginners, and teaching the students at the same time. And it was incredibly difficult, and I didn't realise how difficult it was even when I was doing it. And we'd struggle through things, and we were learning. And then a few months after I started the Ukulelians, I was watching YouTube one evening, as we all do, and I came across a ukulele play along video. I know exactly which one. Surfing USA by Dr. Jill Reese, and it was literally a game changer. Not just in school with the club and as a music teacher, but for myself as a player and learning and gaining confidence singing. Dr. Jill Reese, and he was known as a ukulele tenor. I'm talking about Christopher Russell. He's now got Uke Play-Alongs channel and the Uke Info channel. Now, I went into school the following day after finding this ukulele play-along video, put it on for the students at lunchtime when we had club. Oh my word. They just went, "What?" They literally did. It was the most fun we ever had, and it changed our school club. It changed the way I taught ukulele in school. So I then discovered he's also Dr. Chris Russell. His videos, and in amongst them was how to make ukulele play-along videos. So very interested. I taught myself my first few videos. In fact, my very first one was Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. They weren't great, but over the years I've got better at them. The Ukulelians channel now has over 80,000 subscribers, which I can't believe, considering I just started making these videos to help me and the students in school learn. I'll pop links to a lot of the ukulele play-along channels in the description below here, but I promise you, if you've never tried a ukulele play-along video and you're struggling singing, or, just enjoy playing the uke, go and check them out. There's way over 1,000 videos now between all the channels. We all keep in touch. We're all music educators. I think I'm the only one in the UK. But please do go and check them out, because apart from being great fun, they're a fantastic resource and a brilliant way of learning ukulele. So, keep it easy. Use songs you know really well. All right, ideally an easy ukulele song, as well as a song you already can sing. Breathe when you're playing. Simple but important. Join a club or a group if you can, because that's a great way of improving both your playing and your singing. Make little videos of yourself every so often to give yourself instant feedback. You do get used to hearing yourself sing, okay? And to really have some fun, go and check out ukulele play-along videos. They really are, as I said, they were a game changer, not just in the way I taught ukulele in school or the way I learnt ukulele, but just the fun you can have. I've spent hours and hours sat using ukulele play-along videos, not just my own. As I said, there are many other channels out there as well, okay? I do hope this video has helped, and it is a little bit different to some of the other how to play your ukulele and sing at the same time. If you've got a comment or a question, please feel free to leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.